how to fix Instagram notes feature not working. So if you want to fix your Instagram notes feature not working or not showing, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And next thing we need to do is open up your Play Store and go with search. And under search, you need to search for Instagram. After searching, if you have any updates on your Instagram, you need to just go and update your Instagram application. After updating, you need to open up your Instagram, go with the profile which is on the bottom, and then go with the 3 horizontal lines which is on the top right. And here you will have an option of change account type or switch account type. You need to go and switch your account to either a professional account or a business account. Once you've changed your account type, your problem might be fixed. You'll have that option under your creator tools and controls. Here you'll have switch account type, and then you need to switch to either a professional account or a business account. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then go back and then scroll down, tap on help, tap on report your problem, tap on don't include, and here you need to report a problem. You can write hello Instagram, I don't have Instagram notes option or notes feature. Can you fix this problem? And then go with send, and within a few hours you will receive some guidelines on how you can fix your problem. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.